Hello guys, welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally if you've not met me before, and how did you find me today? Well, you're very welcome if you're new. I am an art teacher. I do supply work and I run my own business. I teach at the weekends. And so I want to share different things that I've learned within textiles as well. So you will find on Instagram and my stories that when I'm leading up to a project on YouTube, then I do tend to try to share the sort of lead up on my stories. So you're welcome to go over there as well. So part of the reason why I'm doing 2 videos a week is because I want to try to share drawing leading up to a textile project. And then on the other video, I'd like to sort of share new textile kind of techniques. So in today's video, we are going to be doing biro and watercolour. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So did you enjoy this video? I hope you did. If you did, then please subscribe, hit the notification button, and do leave a comment. It'd be really good to hear if you've done Shibori before and what sort of examples you've done. Just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So I will see you again. It will be next Tuesday, and don't forget I'm adding another video in at the weekends, Fridays or Saturdays at the moment. So I will continue to do drawing and painting and mixed media, and I'll also continue to do some textile techniques. So until then, take care and I will see you soon. Bye.